Uh,
Yes.
You're here today because, let's go over this. Let me get my glasses back on. You had, new charges of failure to provide a, driver's license, failure to obey a police officer, failure, false reporting, driving on a revoked license, and reckless driving. Do you understand why you're here today?
I guess, yeah.
All right, what I'm going to do is release you. I'm going to give you a new court date of November the 18th. For
Okay.
arraignment. You need to appear on November the 18th. If you fail to appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest. November
Okay.
18th is a Monday. It's going to be at 8:30 in the morning here at Justice Court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to impose standard who don't drive without a valid license and
Yes, sir.
remain law abiding.
Yes.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, and you have a good night.
You too.
The second one on this list is Graspowski.
Yeah, that's the,
Tucson.
My guess is Dashkowski, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we'll see who comes up. Hi, can I have your name?
Yes, Nicholas Deshkowski, Your Honor.
Hi, sir, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here tonight. Let's go over why you're here, okay?
Certainly.
You're here today because you have a probation violation warrant out at Tucson City Court. A petition to revoke was filed against you that alleged the following: that you had admitted consuming alcohol, that you tested positive for alcohol, that you had contact with the victim without permission with the probation department, and you engaged in abusive behavior. Do you understand why you're here?
Those are just applications, so
So yes.
you understand why you're here.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Okay. What I'm going to do is do the following. The judge who issued the warrant in your case requested a $2,500 bond be set. I'm going to set it in that amount. I'm going to give you a new court date on November the 6th. No, that's not.
If you're
At 1:30 PM with Judge Million, and I am appointing a lawyer to represent you. If you post a bond, you will be released, but you must make all court dates. Fail to appear.
Your Honor, if there's any way, is there any possible way to not have that? I am not a flight risk. I promise I will be here,
Okay, well,
or I will be there.
I respect that, but I also respect the judge that's handling your case in that specialty court that she handles, and I'm gonna respect what she's asked to do. She sent a specific note about you, so I want to honor that. She has the most experience with it.
Sure.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks.
And is the number 3-1 the Spanish? Is that yours, Jacone?
it's 102. It's 102.
Your Honor, the jail is informing me that the Spanish speaker, the next one on the list is going to be brought down a little later. So I don't know if the court's okay moving on to the felonies.
I'll do whatever order the jail has people available so that we can get this completed. I feel bad about holding the interpreter on the line. But obviously, if they don't have that person here, then I'll need to talk to them.
Your Honor, as soon as they bring him down, he'll be the first to go.
Okay. Well, you should just put people in the order that you have them, so you're ready to go. Hi, sir. Can I have your name?
Cody Amos.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. The purpose of this hearing for me is to conduct a initial appearance for you tonight. You have a warrant out of Gila County, Arizona from Judge Chambers. You failed to appear. He set a bond in the amount of $3,000. You understand why you're here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does the state have a recommendation?
Your Honor, as this is an out-of-state warrant, out-of-county warrant, state typically does not comment other than would suggest the court follow the amount on the out-of-state warrant.
Okay. All right, public defender?
Your Honor, can I have a brief moment with him? They just brought him down, so.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Your Honor, so is it almost? Yeah, Amos. Mr. Amos is serving a jail sentence on a probation violation case out of Pima County. So we just asked that you set a nominal bond and appoint an attorney so he can figure it out once he's done serving this.
So appoint an attorney and
On the Gila County warrant and set bond, please. For time purposes.
okay, but wouldn't Gila County appoint him a lawyer once he gets there?
I believe so, Judge, but I was informed previously that when someone is being held at the jail here, they usually appoint an attorney, but unless that's changed, I guess what I'm saying is if the court is setting a bond, then the court appoints a local attorney, is my understanding.
All right, well, we'll check on that. I'm going to set $1,000 bond, set a review hearing for November the 18th. And then let Gila County be informed. I was a Superior Court judge in Gila County a long time ago. And I've done the initial appearances there. So as soon as he gets there, they will appoint one of the contract attorneys.
Certainly.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. You'll be, I set your bond at $1,000.
Thank you.
You have a good day. So on those, do we appoint? So I don't know what they could do. The next one is yours, right, Benitez?
Benitez is not.
Okay.
That was not-
Oh, yeah, I remember him. Hi, sir, can I have your name?
Michael John Benitez.
I'm Judge Hazel. I'm here today to conduct an initial appearance on your case. Initial appearance means that I set release conditions. You're here today on new charges of promoting prison contraband, possession of dangerous drugs, possession of a narcotic drug. Do you understand why you're here today?
Yes, sir.
Does the state have a recommendation in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. State notes that it would appear he's being held on a probation violation. That said, the introduction of dangerous drugs into the Pima County Jail is of great concern to the county attorney, given the risk they pose. That said, simply because of the other pending hold, $2,500.
Attorney for defendant?
Your Honor, the state's right. He has a disposition hearing on a class 4 felony schedule on November the 8th. So we just asked for a nominal bond for the purposes.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is set this matter for a preliminary hearing on the 28th. I'm going to set a $2,000 cash or secured bond. I'm gonna appoint Mark Resnick is the attorney, the contract attorney that's been gonna be appointed for him. Standard release conditions will apply, including if released through pretrial, through their supervision, and no alcohol, no drugs. Sir, what I've done is set your bond at $2,000 and given you a preliminary hearing on October the 28th. Your attorney will be in contact with you. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
All right, good luck to you then.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I believe the court will now handle misdemeanors. May I be excused briefly?
Yeah, whatever you need to do. As long as you're here
Okay.
when looks like we have one felony left. Is that right?
Yes. That's Mr. Gabe.
Okay,
Be right back, Judge.
all right.
Thank you.
Hi, can I have your name?
It's Michael Grosvenor.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have a warrant for your arrest.
Or failure to appear for, traffic violation.
Yes, that's why you're here.
Yes, I was meaning to come in there and get that taken care of, but I just didn't make it before court. I had court today. I was sentenced to 2 years, in state prison, so. And I apologize for not being able to get in there to take care of this in the first place.
So you're being held on something else then, is that right?
Yeah, I've already been sentenced. I'll be leaving for prison as soon as they pick me up, so.
All right, what I'm gonna do then, so that we can get this resolved, I'm gonna set you for an in-custody date and set your bond at $100. Give you a new court date of Monday. That way we can, they can hopefully get this resolved so you can, go on and, take care of your prison sentence.
Okay,
Because if I give you an out of custody date, you'll be transported and then you'll get another warrant.
yeah, that's why I wanted to make sure you knew I was going there, because they were, and I ended up getting page 2 and all kinds of crap. So, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna appoint Jill Gookin to be your lawyer. And I'm gonna give you a new court date on Monday. And I'm gonna set your bond at $100. So you'll see the judge Monday at 1 o'clock.
That's
Yeah.
all that. Yeah.
You have any questions, sir?
No, that's it.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much. You as well.
Huh? We could, it was starting now though, we could. Yeah. Yeah. We some bowling here. Yeah, yes, I was waiting for it. Hey, folks. We have faith. On socks.
Hi, can I have your name?
Marco Antonio Jurado Chacón.
Your Honor, this is the Spanish speaker.
Yeah.
What number is that?
Y mire, usted necesita intérprete, señor Chacón.
Sí, señorita.
Ok, Marco Antonio, ¿qué es el nombre?
Jurado Chacón.
Marco Antonio Jurado Chacón.
Sir, you're here today because you have a warrant for your arrest for charges of criminal trespassing and failure to appear.
Señor, está usted aquí porque tiene una orden de arresto por los cargos de estar en propiedad ajena y falta de comparecer al proceso en el tribunal.
I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of November the 18th at 2 p.m. in Tucson City
Lo-
Court.
Lo voy a liberar y le voy a dar una fecha nueva al tribunal, en el Tribunal Municipal de Tucson, el 18 de noviembre a las 2 de la tarde.
Conditions of release are don't return to the scene of the crime and don't have any contact with any victims.
Las condiciones de su liberación es de no regresar al sitio donde ocurrió el delito y no tener contacto con cualquier víctima.
Do you understand, sir?
¿Comprende, señor?
Sí, señor.
Okay,
Yes,
good
sir.
luck to you. You should be released later this evening.
Muy bien, buena suerte. Usted va a ser liberado más tarde.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you to the interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good night.
Good night.
Noriega.
Hi, sir. Can I have your name?
Yo soy Daniel Noriega.
Hi, you're here today. I'm Judge Hazel. You're here tonight because you have a warrant out of Marana City Court for shoplifting, possession of drug paraphernalia, and failure to appear. Do you understand why you're here today?
Yes.
I'm going to release you, give you a new court date in Marana of November the 20th at 10 a.m. You must appear at that date or a warrant will issue for your arrest. Do you understand?
I can't get you that courthouse. It's no bus that goes up there.
Okay, well, I would assume do you want to stay in jail then?
No, sir.
Your Honor, he does have a probation violation at Superior Court.
Okay, well, they'll probably arrange a video arraignment for him, but Miranda does not like people to be held, so I'm going to release you and then they'll get the paperwork and they will probably set you up for their video appearances. I don't remember the dates they do them, but they'll set that up, okay?
Well, then you're.
All right, sir, you're all set. Next bunch should be yours then, right?
Yeah.
Hi, sir, can I have your name? I'm sorry, could you say it a little quieter, a little slower for me?
More Howard.
Okay. You're Mr. Howard, is that right?
Not guilty.
Okay. I just asked you if your last name is Howard.
No. Yes. Oh, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
All right, Mr. Howard, you're here today on charges of criminal trespass, possession of drug paraphernalia.
Untrue.
Let me talk, please. I'm going to release you with the conditions that you not commit acts of domestic violence, that you don't have any contact with any victims, don't go to the location. And
Yes, sir. Get my attention.
do you understand these release conditions and not have any contact with victims? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. I'm going to release you. Make sure you make
Yes,
your
sir.
court date. Your court date again is going to be, I'm sorry if I didn't mention it, October 29th at 9 a.m. in Tucson City Court.
Yes, sir.
All right, good day. You have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
He's on mental health, right?
Noreen,
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Stephen,
Okay, hi, I'm Judge Hazel. I'm here today to conduct an initial appearance on your cases. You have new charges, it looks like, of possession of drug paraphernalia, but you have multiple warrants for possession of drug paraphernalia, trespassing, shoplifting, some more paraphernalia, and shoplifting, multiple warrants. Do you understand why you're here today?
yes,
All right, I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of November the 18th. Standard release conditions will apply, including don't possess any alcohol or drugs, no contact with any victims, don't return to the location where you were trespassed. And again, don't go to the incidents where you were trespassed. Do you understand?
sir.
And your new court date is going to be November the 18th at 9:30 in the morning in Tucson City Court. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, good luck to you. Hi, can I have your name?
Clint Ryan Robertson.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have warrants for your arrest for criminal trespassing, theft, assault, some more theft, and drug paraphernalia. Do you understand why you're here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of October the 30th at 2 p.m. in Tucson City Court. Standard conditions of release will apply, including don't commit any acts of domestic violence, appear at all future court hearings, no contact with any alleged victims, don't go to the incident locations. So you're going to be released and your new court date is going to be October the 30th at 2 p.m. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
Also, you're being released, you'll get paperwork.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
Hey.
Thanks.
Yeah, I can do it. You can send it back to me. That's because he's the one that's going to prison, right? Yeah, that's why I did that. Yeah. Sir, can I have your name?
Nick Sanchez,
I'm sorry.
Nick Sanchez.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm cold.
Good. You're here today because you have new charges against you. Let's go over those. It's disorderly conduct. I am going to release you and give you a new court date of November the 26th at 1:30 p.m. in Tucson City Court. I'm going to impose the following conditions. that you not commit any acts of domestic violence, you do not consume alcohol or drugs, you have no contact with any victims, that you don't go to the victim's residence. I also need to advise you that the victim in this case, let me talk, please. The victim in this case went to Tucson City Court today and got an order of protection against you. You are therefore, based on this release order, not allowed to contact her, but you also have a order of protection against you that would prohibit that contact. Do you understand that?
Yes, but when I got arrested, they told me it was just disturbing the peace from the neighbor's peace got disturbed because nothing happened at my mom's house. Like nothing happened. You know what I mean? So they told me it was just disturbing the peace from the neighbor. And they said I would be able to go back to my mom's house. I didn't do nothing to her.
Okay, well, that's why you did it.
All I did was yell and we yelled at each other real quick and the neighbor heard us yelling and that's what happened. So they said I got arrested for disturbing the neighbor's peace. Nothing to do with my mom.
Okay, well, you can't go back over there. Your mom has an order of protection against you.
All right.
And if you go back there, then you'll probably be arrested again and be back in jail tomorrow. So you don't want that to happen to you. Have they served you with the order of protection yet?
No, I've been here since 12 o'clock, since 11 o'clock, something like that.
Well, they'll probably serve you before you leave.
All right.
All right, good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
So you just fixed that one then? Yeah, I just, he was the one that I was gonna release him and then he said yeah, because then he said he's going to prison. Hi, can I have your name?
My name's Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, you're here today because I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have new charges of assault and disorderly conduct. Do you understand why you're here today?
Good.
Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of November the 26th at 1:30 p.m. in Tucson City Court. Conditions of release are don't possess any alcoholic beverages or drugs, commit no acts of domestic violence, no contact with any alleged victims, and don't go to the victim's residence. I am treating this as an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf and advise you that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to plead not guilty, require the state to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at a trial. That would be a trial to a judge. At that trial, you have a right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. At that trial, your attorney would confront and cross-examine the witnesses who testify against you, present evidence on your own behalf, and compel others to appear for you. If you're convicted at trial, you have a right to appeal. Otherwise, you have a right to post-conviction release. Do you understand these constitutional rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're going to be released. Just make sure that you follow those release conditions. Make sure you make your court date, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there you go.
You're back.
Yes, Judge.
We'll see who they bring next.
Just briefly.
He just has a warrant, right? He doesn't have a new case.
That's correct, counsel.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Let's see, Larry.
Mr. Gabe?
Sir.
Hi, sir. Can I have your name?
It's Jeffrey Ryan Gable.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. I'm here to conduct an initial appearance on your case today. You're here today because you have a warrant out of Cochise County. Do you understand why you're here? And the bond was set in the amount at $15,000. Do you understand that?
No, I do not, sir.
All right. Well, that's why you're here tonight. Prosecutor want to be heard on this matter?
Your Honor, state concurs with the court's statement about the $15,000 warrant. It is out of state, so the Pima County is not making any specific recommendation.
Okay, attorney for the defendant.
Your Honor, the only record I was able to pull up on public access was a record from Benson Justice Court. I believe this was initially charged as a long form complaint. And the last thing I note there is there are multiple phone calls made to Benson Justice Court, and the last one was made on June the 17th of 2024. The last notation on the Justice Court record is that there was a supervening indictment from February of 2024, and Mr. Gaynor has made contact with them multiple times, it looks like. And
I actually went to court, sir, on September 16th to do my arraignment, and the warrant was quashed, and I don't have court until the middle of November, and that's I have a lawyer and everything, and there shouldn't be any issues on that end. I had a phone call made to Cochise today by my girlfriend, and she made sure that there was no warrant out there. So there is no update in the system since the last time I've been here. And yeah, I shouldn't have no warrant. If somebody was able to call, like I've asked numerous times since the moment I got here into jail, from somebody on Pima County side in the sheriff's office to see if that's valid, there's nothing valid.
so Judge, I think what may have happened is he may have been contacting the Justice Court even after the supervening indictment. So, Your Honor, we are asking for release today and one more chance so that he can go back to Cochise and report that I do see there were multiple phone calls made and he did try to contact the court.
And that was released on our warrant. So
Well, I have read the report from pretrial services, and it indicates there's been numerous warrants in this case, and he did state that he believed the warrant had been quashed. Obviously, we don't have that documentation. What I'm going to do is reduce the bond to $1,000, set this matter for a review hearing on the 18th, and expect them to come pick him up. Sir, if you are released, standard release conditions will apply, including no contact with any victims, don't return to the incident location. Thank you, sir.
I had paperwork, and the officer didn't let me grab my paperwork to show him that I was refused to grab my paperwork. I have paperwork in my bag.
So we can't dispute the warrant right now. This is
Okay, cool. That's whatever. It's got shit.
And Your Honor, Miller Taylor refused tonight.
I'm sorry, who did?
Miller Taylor.
Okay.
So my thing is
Thank you. Thank you to both the attorneys tonight. Appreciate it. And everybody else that's on, thank you. Everybody have a
Thanks,
good
Sean.
night.
Active.
why didn't anybody call?